Step into the 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.